Babe, have you seen my keys? Babe, have you seen my wallet? Babe, have you seen my keys and wallet? Babe!
Let me guess, you lost your...
Yes, I lost all of it. Can you please help me find it? Aliens probably have it by now.
I mean, that could be a possibility. You know what we need? A complete refresh of the desk area.
Do you think the disorganization is bad? I mean, this is how I work.
Babe, there's a difference between disorganization and chaos.
Yeah, you're right. If I'm losing things every day, then I should probably rethink this.
Aw, babe.
But I'm keeping the desk.
Fine. Target hop?
Target hop. Target Hop was filmed in front of a live studio audience.
Target hop.
Hello, Hoppers. It's Eminem again.
Your favorite couple next door.
Come along with us as we entertain, discover, and explore.
At your local Target store.
This week, we're at the Tracy store looking to spruce up our office desk area.
But don't you wait until you get pruned. Be sure to hop on the subscribe button. It helps us grow.
And it's free and kind. Let's get into it. I am super
Halloween!
excited. Ooh, nice.
These are really cute little jars that are marked with different ingredients for the shelf. I like it a lot. The bat one is so cute.
Yeah, I like that they have cats and frogs as well. How much are they, babe?
Only $5. Not grabbing them yet, but keep them at arm's length.
Copy that.
I want to look at these skull jars. What do you think?
These are super neat. I mean, can't go wrong with a skull on Halloween.
And these are only $3.
I say we bag them.
Oh my goodness, look how cute this ghost is. I can't stand it.
Yeah, I can't stand them either. I hate them, huh? I mean, I love him. Do we love him or do we hate him? He can stick on a window, right?
Yes, he's adorable. And he lights up with LED.
Very, very cool.
Look at these projectors. I haven't seen these around.
Me either. I really like the ghost one. The dollar spot is on fire.
You mean Bullseye's playground is on fire. Too bad they don't have the skull ones. I'd grab those in a heartbeat.
Okay, now I actually like these.
What do you mean actually?
Those pendants are really spooky, glow in the dark, and they have all the spooky season icons. I say we found a winner right here, babe.
Good call. I like it.
Making my way past fall, nice displays, and I'm home now. Ooh, look, babe, they have them.
Absolutely not.
I was looking for these.
No, you were not.
I need them.
All right, here we are, the essentials area.
Yay.
You okay, babe?
Yeah, I'm good. Let's get into it. I really like this desk lamp from Bright Room. It has it all. A way to charge the phone and a way to charge my AirPods.
I think that's a place for paper clips.
A place to charge my paper clips. And it has an adjustable light, so when I get those brilliant ideas in the middle of the night, I can put them down without disturbing you. And look at this really cool Fiji water bottle holder.
Well, babe, two things. That's not a water bottle holder. And if you want a light, just get a light. We already have so many gadgets and cables for all the stuff that we have to charge.
No, that's an excellent point.
Here, take a look at this one. This is exactly what we need. A lamp. And it's only $11.
The clamp makes it easy to move around the desk as well. You know what? I really like it.
I feel like I've seen this lamp before, somewhere.
Here's something that we could really use.
Ooh, good call, babe. These storage boxes are nice.
I know I said that we're gonna scan all these documents and keep them all organized digitally, but...
Yeah, but until then, we can at least make it look organized.
I like this one. It's a little bit bigger.
Same. And this is a 2-pack, so we can stack them.
Nice.
This is an important decision, babe. A calendar.
Yeah, much needed.
Agreed. This will help us stay focused on what we need to do day to day.
I normally use the calendar on my phone, but having it in front of me I think will be a big help.
This one is from Sugar Paper. It's beautiful. It's glass and has metal feet that detach.
Do we need a glass one, babe?
Good point. I do tend to be on the clumsy side.
Hey, I wouldn't say clumsy, just eager.
Aw, thanks, babe.
This one from U Brand, the most specific company name in the world, is made of acrylic.
Ooh, and it even comes with a dry erase marker. Perfect. We will take it. Babe, can you grab those round corkboards?
Hey, these are pretty fresh. A neat way to save the walls in an area where we need to hang and rehang things frequently.
Same thing I was thinking. We can arrange them in interesting ways. We can put photos on them and leave each other cute messages.
One thing we're gonna need for the dry erase board is markers.
I found tiny ones for my little tiny hands.
It's interesting because I found some big ones for my big old hands. I guess we got a decision to make.
Hey! Just kidding. That's a good call. The larger ones are going to last longer and they have erasers built into the cap. On the subject of cork boards, we will need some push pins.
Target has a lot of different kinds.
Like these. They look like succulents.
I hate them.
They have regular ones too. I happen to like these.
See, these are cool. They're an upgrade from like regular old push pins that we have, but nothing crazy.
Although I may pick out the gold ones.
I wouldn't argue that.
Babe, we should get some wings after this. Huh? Babe?
Wow. This is exactly what I need in my life. I can put this under the desk. I can fill it up with little Fiji waters and some good and gathered fizzy waters.
Absolutely not.
Goodbye.
Babe, addressing the main problem.
My wallet, keys, all that stuff you mean?
Yeah. What do you think of this?
Wow, this is massive. I get the idea, but I don't really want to lose area in the workspace or have a bunch of stuff that I have to move every time my desk transforms.
Good point.
It is beautiful though, and soft. I can imagine eating a really fancy bowl of cereal out of this. Huh? Maybe something more like this.
I see where you're going with the small wooden bowl. I like the aesthetic. I think we could do better on the budget-wise though.
Yeah, like these.
Oh, no. We have a budget, babe.
Okay, what you got? What you got?
Have a look at these.
Yes, that's it.
It's not exactly the intended use, but it gets the job done.
Oh man, I love all of these options from Project 62.
I guess it really comes down to the color, babe.
Let's go with gray.
Good choice.
A big thing that we could use some help with is wire management, babe.
Nothing a quick zip tie can't fix.
So smart. Another reason that I love you.
We'll take these. 2 points. Maybe a plant could liven things up a bit.
I think that's a great idea, babe.
Thanks. I really like this one. What do you think?
Do I have to water it?
Absolutely not.
Sold.
Okay, babe. I think we got what we need.
I can't wait to get started on this refresh. Babe, I can't thank you enough. This not only looks wonderful, but it feels great too.
Yeah, of course, love. I know a thing or two about being organized.
This is gonna change the way we operate. Let's do the bathroom next. I think we can squeeze a tiny desk in there to maximize efficiency.
Oh boy, absolutely not. Looks like we made it to the self-checkout on desktop.
But you don't have to stop here. Click here if you want to see what happens when we use real plants.
Click here to come along with us on all of our Target Hop adventures.
And every click helps me find my wallet.
Thank you.
Is that a dinosaur?